Today I'm going to fit a short shift kit to the Audi Coupe. And this is the kit. It's actually off a Mark 1 Golf, and it's not actually a short shift kit. It's just that the height of this is higher than the one already in the car. And what it does is that it increases the pivot point. So instead of being there, it's up there, resulting in a shorter throw to the gear shift. I've always thought the throw on the Audi 80, 90 Coupe has been quite long compared to the BMWs I've had, which have all had short shift kits on them. So I've got this little rudimentary drawing board here, and I'm going to attempt to draw around the actual length of the shift here. And this is from first to second. And once I've fitted the new kit, I'll redraw it and see exactly how shorter the throw is. But first of all, I've got to get the gear knob off the cover. I've got to get the centre console out to get to the actual mechanism underneath. Easy. So I'm going to have to drill out these holes to centre it correctly. Because the pivot point has been moved up, when I put the collar on here, it doesn't go down far enough to get the clip back on. So I'm going to have to cut it about there so that I can compress the spring with the collar and get the clip back on the top here. Now I'll do my little rudimentary drawing again, so I'll put it back into first, draw around where it is, second, and you can see from that how much shorter it is. So there's the original back position, the original forward position, and that's the new forward position and the new back position. And I'll measure these distances and I'll see what percentage the throw has been reduced by. Well, what a difference in the throw. The throw's a lot shorter now and it feels a lot better and a lot tighter. There was a little bit play in the old one as well, which didn't help. But that's it in now, and all for under 20 quid, and it's one of the best little mods that I've ever done. So now I'm on to replacing the gearbox and putting a new clutch in, and I think that'll be a different kettle of fish altogether.